Sahyadri National School, Standard 3, Subject Science, Lesson number 4, The World of Birds, Part 5. Students, in previous part, we have seen about feet and claws of birds. From that, we are going to see that climbing birds. Climbing birds like parrots and woodpeckers have 4 toes, 2 pointing upwards and 2 downwards. Second one we have seen about praying birds. It's also known as birds of prey. Birds of prey like eagle, vulture, hawk and owl have very strong feet with sharp claws called talons to catch and hold their prey firmly. Third one is about swimming birds. Swimming birds like duck and swan have webbed feet. Their feet have special webs of skin between toes. A webbed foot is like a paddle. And the last part we have seen about wading birds. Wading birds like crane and paddy birds have thin and long feet with wide spreading toes. So today, let's start our new topic, beaks and food habit of birds. Birds do not have teeth to eat their food. They have a pair of horny jaws called beaks. The beaks help them in a number of tasks like feeding, building nests, and protecting themselves from their enemies. Different kinds of birds have different kinds of beaks. The shape and size of the beak of a bird depends on the kind of food the bird eats. Children, look at the picture. Yes, there are different birds and different birds having different kinds of beaks. First one, short, hard and horny beak. Birds like sparrows, pigeons and peacocks eat nuts, grains and seeds. They have short, hard, pointed and horny beaks to break the food into small pieces. Second one is short and broad beak. Birds like swallows have short and broad beaks which are sticky inside. These birds move round and round in the air, keeping their beaks open. During flight, the small flying insects enter the beak and get stuck inside the mouth. See children, this is a swallow bird. A swallow. This swallow has small and broad beak. It catches flies while flying. The beak is sticky from inside. Third one is curved beak. A parrot has a curved beak. It helps it to crack nuts and hard fruits. The curved beak also helps it to climb. Next one is broad and flat beak. A duck has broad and flat beak. It has tiny holes called shovels at the sides of fine holes called strainers all along the edges. Such a beak helps the duck to dig the mud near the pond to pick up insects, worms and water plants. Water and mud flow out from the strainers and shovels, leaving insects, worms and water plants in the mouth. profile, the feet and the beaks of birds are very much like the tools we use. The hen's foot is like a rake. Look at this picture, rake. Hen's feet is look like a rake. The duck's foot is like a paddle. See the duck's foot, it's webbed feet and it's look like a paddle. Third one is kingfisher. A kingfisher uses its beak like a pair of tongs. Children, do you know tongs? See these tongs. Yeah, yes, we use in the kitchen. And the next one is woodpecker. Woodpecker has chisel-like shape. Woodpecker has a big, it's look like a chisel shape. Chisel means, see this, the carpenter use this. Okay? Yes, it's look like a chisel. So, children understood how the feet and beaks of birds are, they have different beaks and different feet. Let's revise. Short, hard and horny beak. Children, you know that birds do not have teeth to eat their food. They have a pair of horny jaws called beaks. So some birds have short, hard and horny beak. Like sparrow, pigeon and peacock. These birds have short, hard and horny beak. And these birds use this beak to eat nuts, grains and seeds. Second one is short and broad beak. Birds like swallows have short and broad beaks which are sticky inside. Third one is curved beak. The parrot has a curved beak and it helps it to crack nuts and hard fruits. And the last one we have seen about broad and flat beak. A duck has broad and flat beak. It has tiny holes called shovels at the sides and fine holes called strainers all along the edges. Thank you, children.